Hey you guys, I am seriously so excited to hop on and highlight this hose reel that I got sent. Now this thing is absolutely amazing and I want to tell you why you want this, at least one of them. I feel like I want them now at all of the different places where I have spigots at my house. This thing is so cool. So it can attach straight into the wall, and one of the things I love about this is that it swivels. So you can point this any direction you want to, and it just swivels and moves so that you can get the hose wherever you want it to go. It also has a handle if you don't attach it and you want to just be able to carry it around, it has the handle. It comes with this portion right here. So this shoots off the back side of it, and this is what's going to plug into your spigot. That's where the water is going to flow. And then the hose is all coiled up inside this box. So they have really thought this through. This is amazing. If you have dealt with hoses, you know how frustrating it is when they get kinked. It's so annoying to coil them up every single time. It never looks good, it never works very well, and then you do get stuck with kinks in your hoses sometimes if it gets put away the wrong direction. So I absolutely love this because it is a pull cord as far as how you're going to get it out and in. So I'm going to just kind of show you a quick example. And it also comes with this nozzle. So it comes with this spray nozzle. This is one of those adjustable spray nozzles. So it has a whole bunch of different settings. You can manually do it, or you can put the little stopper out if you want it to just continue to spray. You guys, I'm obsessed with this. I think this is absolutely amazing. So it also comes with this stopper so that the hose isn't going to completely coil up into the box and then you have to find it again. That would be really annoying. So they have literally thought of everything. So I'm just going to show you really quick here. We pull it out like that, and then when you let go, it's gonna stop it. So now my hose is stopped right here, but you could keep pulling and pulling and pulling. And then when you're ready to put it back in, all you're gonna do is give it a little tug. That releases it, and then it goes right back into where it was supposed to go. You guys, if you don't have one of these, you need one. I 10 out of 10 recommend it. This is incredible. I'm so excited. We've needed a good hose option in our garage because we were using this hook, but like I said, the hose just always gets so out of whack. So this is perfect and amazing. I want them all around my house. You guys hop on and check this one out. All right, you guys, I just wanted to give you an up close look at what this looks like. So it screws into the wall, and then there's the swivel that it goes on. And then this is just the hose itself that's going to go in and out. But I love how easily this swivels. Like, you can see what great range this has and how easy it is to move it around. It also has a handle right here, and then here is the actual hose itself. So you can see right here, this is where the bottom portion of the hose is going to actually plug into the spigot, and then it will run through the hose that's coiled up right here. So this is how you're going to pull it out. You can pull it out extremely far. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this.